Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to switch account on the Blockman Go gaming app. It is a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the Blockman Go gaming app on your home screen. Now open it. Once you are in the app, here you can find this type of icon at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on it. Here you can find the option of settings. Simply tap on it. After that, here you can find the option of switch account. Now simply tap on it. Now finally, you can add another account and switch the account of your Blockman Go app. Now tap onto the add account button. Now you can add another account using these options. You can either add your Google account or Facebook account or even Apple account. Now choose one, then you can simply tap on to continue to sign in and add another account. And that's it. This is how you can switch account in the Blockman Go gaming app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.